Here our humidity monitor is turned on and connected with the mobile. If I send a particular command which is status 003, the LED will blink twice, and here the sensor sends us the temperature, humidity and battery voltage. So this is my new Bluetooth based temperature and humidity monitor. In this video I will show you how to make this kind of temperature and humidity monitor with full Arduino code and circuit diagram also in the description box. So if you want to make this kind of things, stay tuned in this video. Actually, this is specifically for monitoring humidity. As you know, photography instruments like cameras and sensors are very sensitive to humidity. They can infect it with fungus. That's why keeping my camera and lenses in a low humidity place is a requirement. So that's why I had made this Bluetooth based humidity and temperature monitor. I had also made before temperature and humidity monitor, but that was based on Arduino IoT Cloud using ESP32. You can also check out this video if you are interested in IoT cloud based humidity monitor, and I will give you the link of the video in the description box. Please check it. So this is the Bluetooth variant of the same humidity and temperature monitor. So you can use this without any kind of Wi-Fi or anything. It will also directly send the data to your mobile, but instead of IoT or internet, it will send you data using a Bluetooth module which is HC-05. So at first tell me about this module, then I will show you how it works, and then I will show you its making. I will give you its code and circuit diagram also. Codes and circuit diagrams are already given in the description box. You can check out, there is a link which is of a Google Drive, and from there you can download both schematic and codes also. And if you have any queries or suggestion or question regarding these projects or codes or circuit diagram, you can also message me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is also in the description box. You can check it out from there. So this is my humidity monitor. This is a plastic case I had bought from the local Chandni Chowk, and this box fitted all these things very well. And this is a TP type C module to charge a single lithium ion cell from type C charger. This is the main on off button. This is the DHT22 sensor to monitor the temperature and humidity. This is a single orange color LED to indicate if there is any kind of data coming or not. And inside the box there is a lithium ion cell, as you can see from here, and there are other stuffs I will show you later in the video. So at first let's see how it works. I am turning this module on, and only there is a LED blinking. You can see the inside, that is the Bluetooth module's LED, and this LED is still turned off. And here I am taking a mobile and I am opening here the Bluetooth serial app. Turn on the Bluetooth. So this is the Bluetooth device of the humidity monitor. It names DHT22 monitor. Actually you can modify the name and password of the HC-05 Bluetooth module. Later I will make a details video on HC-05 Bluetooth module. That Bluetooth module is a very useful one. So how you can configure the total Bluetooth module with modifying its name or password. So for now I am connecting it. Just tap on it and it is connected. Now if I type any message here, you can see there is no data incoming. Just if I send any message here, the LED will blink once, but there is no such data. But if I type a particular message which is status 003 here and send it, as you can see here it is showing us the temperature, humidity and the remaining battery voltage of the device also. Current temperature is 30.00 degrees centigrade, humidity is 70.80% and battery is 3.65 volt. And also you can collect temperature, humidity and battery voltage data from your laptop also. Here I am opening the Arduino IDE, and this Bluetooth module is connected with the Arduino IDE serial monitor. If I type any random message here and send it, this LED blinked once and here is no data available. But if I again type the particular command which is status 003 and send it, this light blinks twice and here is our data: temperature 30.6 degrees centigrade, humidity 73% and battery 3.67 volt. And this is the whole code. I'm going to explain this in the video later and you will also get the code. And when you will not send any kind of command or data, it will simply not collect temperature and humidity from the sensor, or its all other feature will be turned off, so that it can save the battery life. As you can see, here is only single battery which is 2600 mAh lithium ion cell, and I am boosting it using a boost converter. Here I had connected a type C charger with the charging module, and as you can see it is indicating a red LED. It means it's charging the battery. When the battery will fully charge, the red LED will turn off and the blue LED will turn on. So it's also charging perfectly fine. Currently my sensor is open air, and let's check its temperature and humidity. Current temperature is 30 degrees centigrade and humidity is 74.20%. Now let's put the sensor inside my camera dry box, and inside this the humidity should be lower. This is a airtight box as you can see, and I had put it here, and after 2 to 3 minutes I will again check the temperature and humidity, and the humidity should be low. It's around 5 minutes I put the sensor in the dry box. Let's check the status again. As you can see here, at first the outside weather's humidity was 74.20%, but now the humidity is 43.10%, perfect for camera equipments, and also the battery voltage decreases a bit, so this humidity monitor is working perfectly fine. So now let's check its hardware setup and coding part also. So it's around 4 a.m. morning, and I just completed the hardware part of the Bluetooth based humidity and temperature monitor. As you can see, this is our hardware completely ready, and my soldering iron is still turning on here. So let me introduce you with the hardware. Here this is the main microcontroller. This is Arduino Pro Mini. In those projects which will be not programmable again and again, I always use Arduino Pro Mini because this is very cheap, and programming it is a bit hard, but for single time programming it's the best board I think. This is the HC-05 Bluetooth module to communicate with my mobile wirelessly. This is a boost converter. I will let you know the exact model of the boost converter. I don't know right now. Wait, I can tell you it. Yes, this is the boost converter. It is MT3608. This is a very good quality boost converter and very low price. It can supply up to 2 ampere, how far I remember. So I am using this boost converter to boost this single lithium ion cells voltage into 5 volt, and this is our main power source, which is a 2600 mAh lithium ion battery of 3.7 volt. It is powering up the whole system. And here is our main sensor DHT22 to measure the temperature and humidity. Here is our on off button, and here this is our battery charger, which is a type C module. So size and design of the box is very user friendly for this project, and this is the indicator LED also. I had connected the DHT22 sensor with the box, use a M3 screw. So now let's check if it is working or not. I am turning on the LED, and yes, one thing more, to make the project most power efficient, I had also removed all LEDs from the Arduino Pro Mini, and I will also remove this LED also. So now let's connect it with our mobile. Open the serial Bluetooth app, connect the device. Here if I type any other message and send it, only one time this orange LED will glow, but here is no data. But if I type the particular command, which is status 003, and send it, this LED will glow twice. And here as you can see, our temperature is 28.80 degrees centigrade, humidity is 72.70%, and battery voltage is 3.79 volt. Yes, this code also includes the current battery voltage. Actually Arduino Pro Mini's operating voltage is 5 volt, and this kind of cells voltage is under 4.2 volt, so that's why we don't need any kind of voltage divider. I had directly fed this battery's positive side into the A0 pin of the microcontroller, as you can see here. So this is the A0 connected with the positive side of the battery, as you can see here. So that's how it is measuring the onboard battery voltage also. So in this way you can already monitor the battery voltage also along with the temperature and humidity. Further thing I will explain when I will show you the code of this project. Yes, I am also giving you both the schematic diagram of this project and code in the description box. If you want to download them, please check the description box. Now let's explain our circuit diagram at first. This is an hand-drawn circuit diagram. I am sorry if you are having issue to understand this, but I am explaining it right now. So this is our main battery, which is a 3.7 volt 18650 battery, which is voltage level is 4.2 to 3 volt, and 3.7 volt is the nominal voltage of the lithium battery. And this is the TP4056 type C lithium battery charger and BMS module. Actually these modules charge the battery using type C and also supply the voltage to other devices, and when the lithium battery's voltage drops after a certain voltage level, it will also disconnect this. That's why we are providing power to the boost converter from the TP4056 module, not directly from the lithium ion cell. So this is our boost converter I had shown you before. This has 4 pins. 2 are for input positive and negative, and other 2 are for output positive and negative. In the input positive side, we are giving it the battery voltage from the voltage out of the TP4056, and between the out positive and boost converters input positive, there is our main on off switch, and the negative input side of the boost converter is connected with the output ground here. And this is the output side of the boost converter. Here we had stated 5 volt. You have to turn the potentiometer of the boost converter and you have to measure the output voltage of the boost converter. In this way you can tune the boost converter for a proper 5 volt. So in the output we are getting 5 volt positive and ground also. The 5 volt positive will directly connect with the Arduino Pro Mini's 5 volt or VCC pin, and also DHT22's VCC or positive pin. So this is our Arduino Pro Mini. Here we are using only 3 pins. That's why I had shown you only 3 pins and VCC and ground. Other pins are I had not drawn in the circuit diagram. So we are powering the Arduino Pro Mini from 5 volt of the boost converter's output, and ground is connected with the ground as usual. And here is the most important part. To know the battery's onboard voltage through your Bluetooth app, you have to connect the 3.7 volt battery's positive side to the A0 pin of the Arduino Pro Mini. Remember this, there is no any kind of resistance or voltage divider between the battery's positive side and A0 pin of the Arduino Pro Mini. You have to directly connect it with the A0, because single cell lithium ion battery's maximum voltage goes up to 4.2 volt, which is less than the analog pins voltage tolerance of the Arduino Pro Mini, which is 0 to 5 volt. That's why we don't have to use any kind of voltage divider. You can just connect it as it is. And this is our DHT22 sensor to sense the temperature and humidity here. A DHT22 sensor have 3 pins: VCC, output and ground. You can connect the ground with the total ground of the circuit, and you have to connect the VCC pin with the 5 volt of the boost converter. Actually DHT22 sensor can works both 5 volt and 3 volt, but in this project we don't have 3.3 volt because Arduino Pro Mini don't have any 3.3 volt pin. So 5 volt is also fine for DHT22. And output of the DHT22 is connected with the D8 pin of the Arduino Pro Mini. D9 pin of the Arduino Pro Mini is connected with the indicator LED through a 330 ohms resistance here. Sorry, in the first circuit diagram I really forgot to add the HC-05 Bluetooth module, which is our main communication module in the total device. So this is our HC-05 Bluetooth module. This is used to communicate with the mobile or laptop wirelessly through the sensor. So this is our HC-05 module. There are 6 pins, but for this project we are using only 4 pins of HC-05. 4 pins are VCC, TX, RX and ground. The VCC of the HC-05 will connect with the 5 volt of the boost converter from where the Arduino Pro Mini and DHT22 sensor are powering up. The ground will connect with any of the ground of the total circuit. And remember this thing, HC-05's TX will connect with the Arduino Pro Mini's RX, and HC-05's RX will connect with the Arduino Pro Mini's TX. When you are working with UART protocol, both devices TX and RX will be swiped and connected with each other. This is the rule. So this was the total circuit diagram explanation. Hope you understand it properly. Now explain the code of the project. So this is the Arduino code of the project. We had used only one library, which is DHT.h, and here let me explain the code so that you can use the code and modify it according to you. At first we had defined the used pin. If you want to change any of this pin for your project, you can change from there. Here is mentioned DHT pin 8. It means in our project the DHT22 sensor's output pin is connected with the D8 pin of the Arduino Pro Mini. If you want to use any other pin for DHT22, you have to change this. You can change this with any other digital pins. And this is the LED pin. It means the indicator LED of this project is connected with the digital pin 9. Again, you can change it. And this is the battery pin. It means using this pin, this Arduino sends the voltage of the onboard battery. Remember, you cannot swipe this pin with any other pin of Arduino Pro Mini. You have to use any analog pin to change with it. It means you can use this with A0 to A5, any of the analog pins. And in rest of the code, you don't have many things to change. Only one thing, if you want to change the command by sending which you will get the sensor data and the voltage, you can change it here. Here it had mentioned that status 003. You can change it with any other command line, and after uploading this code in your project, the new command line will set it to extract the sensor data and battery voltage. So this much is the code, and I hope you had properly understand the code also. If you face any issue, I had told you before, comment down in the video or message me on Instagram. I will definitely help you. I am also giving you the Arduino code as a text file with the circuit diagram in a Google Drive folder, and giving you the link in the description box. You can check it out. So this was the complete tutorial video on a Bluetooth based temperature and humidity monitor. Yes, I know I used to make a lots of varieties kinds of humidity and temperature monitor, because as a photographer, monitoring humidity of my photography gears is very important. In past I had also damaged my camera lenses and sensors due to high humidity. That's why I used to make various kinds of humidity monitor for mine purposes and my friend also. And also I used to make videos of them. My previous humidity monitor was based on Arduino IoT Cloud, but in all places you don't have access of internet, as like as in my room my friend have Wi-Fi. That's why I made the IoT version of this humidity monitor for him, but for mine purposes the Bluetooth version is the best, I think. So that's why I used to make lots of humidity monitors. My next video will be on a normal text message to Morse code encoder. This is ham radio stuffs. If you are interested in this, please stay tuned with me and let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please do like this channel. And if you want to make this project by yourself, you can find the complete circuit diagram and the Arduino code as a text file also in the description box. In the description box there is a Google Drive link. Please click on it and you can download the circuit diagram and code also. So that's it for today. Hi, I am AkashWave, call sign Victor uniform number 3 Hotel Alpha X-ray. I am an electronics and communication engineering student. Actually I had passed electronics and communication engineering, but I had not got the degree till now. Okay, so still I am an electronics and communication engineering student and a licensed ham radio operator also. My call sign is Victor uniform number 3 Hotel Alpha X-ray. And I used to make videos on microcontrollers, microprocessors, RF modules, RC planes, drones, ham radio stuffs, antennas, RTL, HDR, and this kind of things. So if you are interested in those things, do subscribe my channel. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description. You can follow me from there. And if you have any queries or you have any kind of suggestion or anything, you can let me know in the Instagram. I am active on Instagram. So that's it for today. See you on another video. Bye.